Ever wondered what the greatest appetizer ever made is? Appetizers, those tantalizing starters that set the tone for the culinary journey ahead. They come in all shapes, sizes, and flavors from every corner of the globe. From delicate canapés in France to spicy street food in Thailand, appetizers are the unsung heroes of a meal. They whet our appetite, teasing our taste buds, preparing us for the main course. Stay tuned as we unravel the recipe of what many believe to be the greatest appetizer ever made. The star of today's show is the timeless classic bruschetta. Originating from the rustic kitchens of Italy, bruschetta has become a universally loved appetizer. This simple yet exotic dish, with its fresh ingredients and inviting aroma, captures the essence of Italian cuisine in a bite-sized serving. Its magic lies in the harmony of flavors. The juicy tomatoes, aromatic basil, and the crusty bread all coming together perfectly. It's a testament to how simplicity can yield the most delightful results. Are you ready to enter the world of bruschetta? Here's how to prepare this masterpiece at home. First things first, gather your ingredients. The beauty of this appetizer lies in its simplicity and the quality of the ingredients we're going to use. Let's start with the star of the show, a beautiful, crusty baguette. You want something that's got a good crunch to it, but also has a soft, airy interior. Next, we need fresh tomatoes, ripe, juicy, and bursting with flavor. These are going to lend a lovely sweet and tangy punch to our appetizer. Moving on, we have garlic. A couple of cloves will do, but feel free to use more if you're a fan of its pungent, spicy kick. Then, there's basil. This aromatic herb is going to add a fresh, peppery note to our dish. Make sure you're using fresh basil leaves for maximum flavor impact. Now, onto the olive oil. A good quality extra virgin olive oil will bring all our ingredients together, adding a rich, fruity taste and a silky texture. Finally, we need salt and pepper. These seasonings will elevate the natural flavors of our ingredients, making them shine in harmony. Remember, the key to a great appetizer is using fresh, quality ingredients. They are the soul of any recipe and will make your dish stand out from the crowd. Now that we have everything ready, let's dive into the creation of this appetizer. With all ingredients at hand, it's time to bring our bruschetta to life. Start by slicing the baguette diagonally into half-inch thick slices. This gives the bread more surface area to hold our delicious topping. Next, we'll toast the sliced baguette. You can use a toaster, but for an authentic touch, try grilling them. Just remember to keep an eye on them, as we want them golden brown, not blackened. While our bread is toasting, we'll prepare the tomato topping. Dice ripe tomatoes into small pieces, ensuring each piece is a burst of flavor. Toss the diced tomatoes in a bowl with minced garlic, chopped fresh basil, a drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it all together and let it sit for a few minutes to let the flavors meld. Our bread should be nicely toasted by now. Let's assemble our bruschetta. Spoon generous heaps of the tomato mixture onto each toast slice. The bread will soak up some of the juices, making each bite a perfect mix of crunchy and juicy. If you want, you can add a sprinkle of grated Parmesan or a drizzle of balsamic glaze for an extra flavor punch. But even in its simplest form, this bruschetta is a showstopper. And there you have it, the greatest appetizer ever made, the classic bruschetta.